In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable PayPal on WooCommerce. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have PayPal available as a payment option on your WooCommerce store using the official plugin and a few quick clicks. First, open your WordPress website and sign into your dashboard. You'll be working from the admin area, so make sure you're logged in with an account that has permission to manage plugins. A stable internet connection helps here, since you'll be downloading a plugin from the WordPress repository. Next, head over to the Plugins section in your dashboard. This is where you can add new functionality to your site. In the plugin search field, type PayPal. You'll see several results, but the one you want is the official WooCommerce PayPal solution. It's typically titled WooCommerce PayPal Payments and clearly indicates it's built for WooCommerce. Choosing the official plugin helps ensure better compatibility, regular security updates, and smoother support. Click on the plugin to open its details, then select Install. You'll see WordPress download and unpack the plugin. Give it a moment to complete. When installation finishes, click Activate. Activation turns the plugin on and links it to your WooCommerce store so it can add PayPal as a payment method. Once you activate it, the plugin automatically connects with your WooCommerce setup behind the scenes. That means your store now has access to PayPal as a checkout option. You don't need to perform any extra manual linking for WooCommerce itself. Activation is what establishes that connection. From here, your WooCommerce payment settings will recognize the PayPal gateway provided by the plugin. A few quick tips as you wrap up. If you see several similar PayPal plugins, stick with the official WooCommerce PayPal option to avoid conflicts. If the install button is grayed out or you don't see the plugin, make sure your WordPress and WooCommerce versions are up to date. If you previously used another PayPal plugin, having multiple PayPal gateways at the same time can cause confusion for customers, so it's best to keep only the one you plan to use active. And that's it. You opened your WordPress website, went to Plugins, search type for PayPal, selected the WooCommerce PayPal plugin, and clicked Install and Activate. With those steps complete, PayPal is now available to integrate with your WooCommerce checkout. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the convenience of PayPal on your store.